Give it a bounce. Okay, there's that. Okay, give it a bounce. A bit more. There we go. All right, next adventure. We're getting the front leaf spring attached to the front axle. We have already attached the two brackets to the other side. And now we need to stretch the leaf spring just a little bit to make this side fit. We're about an inch off. And so how we're going to do that is we were using Diggie's brawn to get the springs on. Now we're going to use his mass to stretch the spring and allow me to get this bracket on. Go ahead, Diggie. So close. A little bit more. Oh, okay. Try again. Almost. There, we got it. Okay. All right, hop down. Sort of. Let's get another.
Get the other side on and...
Well, the problem is it's now a little cockeyed. So stand back on it. Give it a bounce. Okay, there's that. Okay, give it a bounce. A bit more. There we go. Okay, now we'll use sockets to bring them up. I think I might need you still on there. So, where's my ratchet? Thank you.
Way better than I thought.
Ah, wrong way. See, this is what happens when two engineers use their brains, right?
It almost gets me.
We can figure out how to hillbilly something into place. Thought we were gonna have to ask your father to come too.
Yeah.
Double up on the
Both of
Diggie.
us trying to do them.
Double Diggie mass.
That would have been something else.
Yeah. Come on, little fingers. Come on, little fingers. This is why God gave me little fingers. Come on. There we go. We did it! Yeah. All right. Now the front axle can go on the frame. Ugh. Okay, we're gonna get the front axle in, which means I need to get this situated underneath. This needs to get moved. First, we're gonna hook up the ball end to the back frame or the X fixture, and then we'll use the hydraulic lift jack to lift up the leaf springs into its socket there. Because I'm all by myself today, and I can't lift this and get the fixtures on by myself. Let's get started. All right, clear this up. Fixtures. Lift with the legs, not the back. That was my best end. Shimmy it over. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Okay. There's the line. Now. Ooh. Let's check our reference real quick. Okay, confirm the correct orientation. It's the bolt going down from the top. So now I'm going to lift the ball end up into the ball socket. Place. Plate. And get it started. Okay, now we're going to leave this loose so it can adjust itself as we lift the other side. Radiator out of the way. I'm going to do this at off center because I don't want to smush the Zerk fitting. It's at the bottom of the leaf spring. perhaps this needed to go the other way first. Because now the leaf spring's not fitting up inside. Or I can tell that it's not straight. That's Yep. Okay, apparently I did it in reverse order. Leaf spring needs to go up in first. Okay, let's undo what we did. Okay, let's go at it from the other direction. Line up. That's going in. Just need to align it so the little shit socket fell off. Okay, well, we know we're in the right spot. Hello, Raleigh. I'm putting the front axle on. You want to help?
You connected that. Connected all of them?
Yeah.
How? Just today?
No, not today. All right, it's falling off the jack. We need to find a better way. Okay.
I want to take a picture of what we're taking.
Now, let's set the axle on the wheels of the jack so we can get it underneath a little bit further. And it seems to be going up. It's lifting, so that means that we're not quite aligned. Oops. Okay, let's see about that. Okay, Raleigh, need your help. I need you to go back there. Step inside. You should have shoes on, your feet are gonna get cold. Step inside. Step inside. Now, sit down. Turn around. See that ball on the end of the triangle?
Yeah?
Lift it up until it touches the frame.
Like lift from the ball?
No, just lift where your hands are. There you go. There you go. Now let's see if that moves us.
It's not touching. It's too
It's
heavy.
okay. It's enough.
It's too heavy.
Okay, then I will lift that and you come over here and pump the jack. Okay, pump the jack from there. Okay, so I got the axle up and in, but unfortunately the video stopped filming because my memory got full. So I have now gone and downloaded a bunch of videos so that I can continue to film. But basically what happened was we disconnected that, got the jack underneath here, lifted this up, got this started, lowered that side down. So we lined up the key with that kind of up in position. And then once this was aligned, lowered that back down, but supported on the brake and clutch assembly, so it still got some lift to it and kept this in alignment. And then started these threads for the support bracket. So now this is all tightened down, ready to be cotter pinned in. We're now going to put the ball up into its socket and get it secured in, and the front axle will be on the frame. All right, this is gonna take some effort because I'm going up against the twist of the leaf springs. See how strong my thighs are. Let me see where my other nut is. There it is. Okay. Oh, well, that's working. If I could just get these holes lined up. All right, it's in. Oh, my thighs. Now let's take them up. Size on here. Of course. Where's the right socket? Gotta go find that now. All right. Now we'll get those cotter pinned.